Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, June 30th. Looking at the current water vapor imaging, so we have a southwest flow over our area. We do have some monsoon moisture to our south that's kind of moving northeast. And then we do have a low that's kind of dominate our pattern here just off the coast of Washington and Oregon. And you can see there's going to be several little embedded waves with that as it kind of moves. You'll see the models as it kind of moves east northeast through the next couple of days. And there is one embedded disturbance to our south, and that looks to like it would bring potentially some overnight thunderstorms, mainly for the Island Park area. Tonight, I'll show you that here shortly. Looking at the model, you can see the thunderstorms along the Wyoming border, very light, and maybe along the Montana Divide. And as we move overnight, you start to see those thunderstorms in the Island Park area and along the eastern highlands. And then as you go into Monday, you can see the ridge builds. Probably be the warmest day of the year, and then we have thunderstorms in the Island Park area. And as you go into Tuesday, off this low moves east northeast, there are some thunderstorms along the southeast islands and maybe the eastern highlands along with that. And then there was also thunderstorms in our northern area on Wednesday. I'll show you that here in a minute. Looking at the surface front, you can see again just along our Wyoming border, just barely, and then along the Montana Divide. So for the most part, mostly dry. Again, I think is that embedded wave goes overnight. The one that's disturbance over California, that Island Park area will likely see some overnight thunderstorms. Those may actually go along the border as well, the Wyoming border, maybe even extend into some of the mountains in the southeast highlands too. Looking at temperatures for Sunday, we start to warm up quite a bit. We were just near normal to slightly below normal yesterday, but we go above normal today by a couple of degrees, a degree or two, and that southwest flow. And you see we were a little bit breezy today, particularly along the southeast islands and the ridge tops. And then as you go into Monday, a chance of thunderstorms along the Montana Divide again, mainly in the afternoon. There is a chance, the models are indicating there may be some in the southeast highlands as well. That has changed a little bit from model runs. Here's your morning temperatures for Monday morning, and here's your afternoon temperatures, a little bit warmer than today's. Likely the warmest day of the year so far, maybe Tuesday, just depending on how much precip happens on Tuesday and how far south it gets. But here's your wind gusts for Monday. Still a little bit breezy, particularly in our northern areas. Again, as that upper level low starts to move, you'll see the winds start to increase slightly Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday. Tuesday will likely be the breeziest at this moment. And then you can see the thunderstorms as you move into Tuesday afternoon. And mainly just again along the Wyoming border and Montana Divide. Again, that's going to vary a little from run to run depending on kind of where those embedded waves happen off of that big flow as it moves over northern Idaho. Here's your max temperatures, about the same as Monday, but there is a degree or two less. Again, as that low approaches, will be a little bit more cloudy, and so that's what's looking to hold these temperatures off. If it is clear, it will be likely as warm as Monday, if not slightly warmer. But right now we're looking to be just a little bit less than Monday. Here's your wind gusts for Tuesday. You can see increases. Monday as that upper level low gets as it moves over northern Idaho and gets closer. And then as you look at the long term, this is picking up Tuesday afternoon. And here's Wednesday afternoon. You start to see thunderstorms along the Divide and even the southeast highlands as that low approaches goes over northern Idaho. There's July 4th. There's thunderstorms over a lot of the area, particularly the mountains. I'll show you that here again in a minute. I'll let that run through. But it will be breezy at this point, it looks like, on July 4th as that wave gets close. I'll just kind of run through the whole period again. We'll start right now. Here's Wednesday morning, and it's Wednesday afternoon thunderstorms. And then as that low goes over northern Idaho, here's your Thursday morning showers and afternoon thunderstorms across the area. Here's your wind gust for Wednesday afternoon. You can see it is quite breezy with that low getting right over northern Idaho and western Montana. And then as you go into Thursday afternoon, here's your winds, a little bit breezy. And then as you go for fireworks in the evening, do die down, but there are areas out in the Snake River Plain that remain quite breezy. breezy. But for most populated areas, it does drop. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.